Hello, hello everyone. And our training will begin within two. Okay, good afternoon everyone. And I'm Tina and today I will introduce the main functions of Duoke for you. And my training will divide it into two parts. The first part I will introduce the main functions of Duoke, and the second part I will tell you how to use and how to set the Duoke function. Okay. Okay, and during my introduction, if you have any problems, you can comment on the chat box. And after the training, I will reply to your questions. Okay, and now I will begin the first part. Okay. Okay. So can you see my screen now? Okay. Okay, I'll begin. Okay, as we all know, Duoke is a global e-commerce AI intelligent chatbot systems that it can manage 200 stores and within one person. So today I will tell you how can Duoke do this. Okay. Okay, and as we can see from the picture, we can say that the customers of Duoke are from all over the world and mainly from the uh, yes, mainly from the Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia and Indonesia, as we can see here. Okay, and the Duoke now is supported. The main platform is Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, Tokopedia, and uh, we we also support AliExpress and Facebook. Yes, here are the main platforms that Duoke support. Okay, this page we can see the main functions of Duoke, and then I will introduce the each functions into details. So we can see here are the main functions. Okay. Sorry. Okay, I wait a minute. Mm. Okay, hello. Okay, can you hear my voice now? Okay, then I will begin. Okay, and the first function is the reply in bulk, means that Duoke can ag aggregate the messages from multi-platforms and the stores. As I have said that we support Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, and more platforms. Since we have organized your stores in the Duoke that we can reply the messages in only Duoke platforms. Okay, and this is the first function that will help our stores to reply messages more faster and easier. Okay, is the first function. And the second one is the multilingual translation, means that if our customers are from different countries, they use the different languages, so that we need to do the translate, right? And if we have used the Duoke, and the Duoke can help us to do the translation. Yes, okay. And the second function is the auto reply. Auto reply means that if the customer service didn't reply to the message to the customer's messenger, or the AI chatbot didn't reply, and the auto reply can help us to reply to the messengers and to help us to confirm the reply rates of our stores. So this function is very efficient. Okay, and the next one is the AI chatbot. AI chatbot, as we can see here, yes, the main function of AI chatbot is that it can help us to save the human efforts, and also to include the order conversion rates. And also we can reduce the consultation from the pre-sale and the sales, and also after sales, they can solve a bit. Okay. Okay, and the next function is the order follow-up management, means that we can do the things related to the orders, and we can send messages to the orders. For example, and if the customer has consult about one product of our stores, and he has consult, but he didn't place an order, and at this time we can send an order reminder messages to the buyers, and this can help us to this can help the buyers to place the orders. Okay. Okay, and next one is the customer service management, means that um, maybe we have many stores, or maybe our stores needs more than one customer service, so that we need a sub account, and this function will help us to create the sub account for our customer service, and also we can make the schedule for the customer service. Yes, okay, and the next one is the data analysis. This means that we in Duoke we can see the store performance. Yes, and also we can see the performance of our customer service in Duoke. Yes, then we can, yes, everything about our stores can be displayed on the Duoke. Okay, and now Duoke is support the mobile phone. So if we are on vacation or during the weekend, we can use the mobile to reply to the customers. This will be very convenient. Okay. Okay, and here are the main functions of the Duoke. And then I will introduce how to use this function and how to set these functions. Okay, and before that, there's a good news for us, is that today and tomorrow is the big promotion of Duoke. So if we are interested in Duoke, or if we want to buy Duoke VIP, and we can buy today or tomorrow, because because these 2 days are a great deal. Yeah, as we can see here, for these 2 days, if we buy it, the VIP first recharge is about 5% off, and the recharge is at 10% off, and the AI value added package is recharged at 10% off. So it's really a great deal of the year. Yeah, if we want to buy, and we can buy today and tomorrow. Okay, and then we will turn to the second part. I will introduce how to use and how to set the functions. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, and now can you see my new screen? Okay. Okay. Okay, now I will introduce how to use Duoke. And first, if we already have a account, and we will use our email and the password, and we will click into the okay, and we click login. Okay. Okay, after we log in, we will come into the chat page of Duoke. As we can see here, here is the chat page. Okay, as we can see on the left, the first one is the chat page, and the second one is the AI chatbot, and the third one is marketing tools, and this one is the statement, and here are the to-do list, and here is the setting and the service, and this is about my profile. So today I will introduce the main functions, and the first one is about the chat page. Okay, as we can see on the left, here are the stores that we have already authorized with Duoke, and will display here. And all of these names that we can customize ourselves. And if we want to select the stores that we want, that we can select the name. Okay, for example, yes. Okay, select and it will display here. Okay. Okay, and here is and go on. Here are all the messages from our stores. And after we have authorized, the messages will display here. And as the first time we have authorized the stores to own with Duoke, that it will seek the last 1 month's messages and the last 2 months orders, and will display the messages will display here. Okay, as we can see here at the buttons, the first one is all, means that all messages will display here, and the second one is unread, means that the messages that haven't been read will display here, and the third one is not reply, means that the messages had not been replied will display here, and the next one is marked, means that we can mark the messages that we want. For example, this one maybe is the after sale, is about the after sale messages that we can mark this one. Okay, and here we can manage all these tags. We can create it, and we also can delete it. For example, if we want to create one, means the pre-sale. Okay, we can name it, and we choose the color we want, and we confirm it. Okay, and if we want to give this one a new tag, for example, we can give it a more tag, and we can use use the tag we want, for example, this one. Okay, and it will display here. And also here we can delete the tag if we don't want it, okay? And the next one is the flighters, means that here we're displaying the flighters that Duoke have already set for us. For example, the important reminders unread, not replied also can be selected here. And also here we can select the AI reply, pre-sale messages or after-sale messages. And these are very important and useful. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here are the messages part. And then we will go into the chat part. Here we can say the first one, here is the name of the buyers, and here is the name of our stores. And all the messages will display here, including our replies and the messages from the buyers will display here. And we can send not only the messenger, but we can send emoji, image, and also the videos to the buyers. Okay, so we can use this. Okay, and as I said before, if our customers is from the other countries and use the different languages, that we can like hello, welcome to my shop. Okay, let's start this one. And if he's from the Malaysia, that we can use to translate. Okay, okay, click the translate. So as we can see, they will be translated to the Malaysia. And if you think this is not correctly, then we can also use the GPT translation. Okay, and if we think this one is better, and we can use it. Okay, and it will display here. So if this one is okay, that we can click this here and send it to the buyers. Okay, so here, this is the translation function. Okay. So, okay. After the presentation, we will have the record. So and we will send the record to the group. Okay. Okay, and here are the chat page, and on the right we also can say other functions. The first one is order. Order means that it will display the orders of these customers. For example, this one, and also we can say the state of the orders is as we can say here. This one is delivered. Okay, and if we want, and the tracking number will display here. And if we want to look details, and we can click here. Okay, the details. And if the buyers want the invoice, and we can click here and send the invoice to the buyers. Okay. And also we can click the send, and this will be being sent to the buyers. And here is a new function that we can say is a ERP, means that if we click ERP means like big seller. If we have clicked here, and this will jump to the big seller page, which is related to these orders. That is really yeah, that we can handle the orders as soon as possible. Yes, okay. And here is about the orders. And the second one is a product. The product means that here the product from our stores will display here. And if we have doing the change, or we have delayed the orders, that if we want to seek seek it as soon as possible, we should click here to seek the new orders. Sorry, the new product. And it will seek to the Duoke. And also if we want to select a product, we can select here the product, use the product name or use the SKU to select. Okay. Okay. And the third one is the voucher, means that we can send the vouchers exactly to the buyers. Okay, this will be very helpful. Okay, this is, and the next one is the ticket. The ticket here means that if if the messages for example, the customer service is now chatting with these customers, but the customers' problems that cannot be handled by herself. So she may need to create a new ticket and here click a new ticket, and she may need another one to help to handle these problems, and she can create this one, and this one will send to another one. Okay. So this is the ticket, and if the another customer service has already received the ticket, and the ticket will display here, the ticket management. Yes. Okay. So, there's still, oh, sorry, there's still a function. It's here. It's here. We can select according to the buyer, the order, all the tracking numbers, and the chat histories to search the buyers. For example, the buyer, we use the buyer names. For example, this one. If we are at different, okay, we use the buyer name and we click it, and we can search it and write to the buyers. Okay. Okay, and so here are the main functions of the chat page. And if you have anything about the chat page that you want to know, you can comment on the chat part. Okay. Okay, and then I will go to the second function. It means the order follow-up management. Yeah, it is on the marketing tools, and then click the order follow-up management. Okay, it's here. There's one thing I must point out is that the order follow-up, the mainly features of order follow-up management is related to the state of the orders. Yes. And now we will look into each one. Okay, the first one. Okay, the first one is the order reminder. The order reminder means that if the buyers have consulting about one product, but he didn't place an order, so we can use the order reminder to remind him to place the order. Okay. As the first time we comes into the Duoke, we will see the default strategies. And if we think these strategies are not suited for our stores, we can reset it here. Or we can add a new tasks here. Okay. It's up to our stores. Okay. And for example, we want to do the reset, and we can click here. And we can name it like is the order reminder. The reminder. Okay. And we will choose the store that we want we want to use. And for example, here we can choose all the stores we want these functions. And also we can use these filters. This means that the first one means do not push orders reminder if buyers have buy something or have buy the product that within 30 days after payment. This means that maybe the buyer this situation means that maybe the buyer this buyers is consulting about the after sale programs, so we don't want the order reminder will do the if will make effect. So we will click here and we will turn on these filters. Okay, and then we will choose we want these functions to take effect on all the products or just some products, and we can select here and we can select the products that we want. Okay, and also we can choose the time. Okay, and also we can choose we can set the send time. Okay, for example, this the first one is like do not pay after the buyer consult about the products in sorry. Wait. Okay, here we can select which one we want. Okay, and then we can write the content that we want to send to the buyers. For example, we may say that okay, the product like is useful that you can buy now like this, and we can write here. Okay, and also here we can say we can write more than one strategies. Okay, so if everything we want to set is already, and then we can click the save, and it will be saved and will take effect. And also, as I have said, that this will be auto translate to the send content when sending. Okay, so if we think it's okay, we can click the save here. And it will be take effect according to our strategies. Okay, so this is the order reminder. And the second one is the payment reminder. Payment reminder means that the buyer has already placed an order, but he didn't pay for it. And at the same time, we also can send a messages to the buyers. Okay. For example, if here are also will have the default strategies, and if we want to reset it, we can click here to reset. This one is the same like the order reminder, that we should name the task, and we should select the stores that we want the stores to take effect, and also the products, the time, and what we want to send to the buyers. All this we can reset by ourselves. Okay, and if we have already set, and we can save it. Okay, and we can say it will save successfully. Okay, and the second one is the order confirmation, means that the buyers have already placed an order and already paid for the orders. And now we want to confirm the orders. Maybe it's because maybe we want to confirm the address, the phone number, and the order details. Sorry.
讲你上的那个课程哦，不是这个不设计的，就是讲就是那个公司那个 chat 的。
Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay. We said about the order confirmation. Order confirmation means that as I said, that means that maybe we want to confirm the order details or the order details that we will ensure that the buyers will receive the orders as soon as possible. So we can use these strategies. And also we can reset the strategies here. Okay, sorry.
唔使，冇，你錯咗。你錯咗。
你等下會死㗎。
Sorry.
个人是该。是这边还有。
我個面包俾你。
你喺度啊？我剛講啊。
So if you are new into the meeting, please take off your microphone first. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now okay. Okay, we will start. Okay, and this is the order confirmation. Okay, and the next one is the shipment delay. Shipment delay means that maybe it's because we have a lot of orders now, or maybe it's because of the vacation and of the big sales that we cannot send the packages to the buyers as we have already confirmed. So that we will send the messages to the buyers and we will apologize for the things. Okay, and here also we can say the strategies means that maybe the order status has not changed to shipping 72 hours after buyers place an order, and we also can reset it. Okay, for example, like here, we can reset ourselves, and also we can name these tasks and select the stores that we want, and also we can write the content that we want to send to the buyers. For example, we will apologize first, and then we will tell him when we can send this product to the buyers. Okay, and everything is set already that we can save this. Okay. And the next one is the shipment reminder. Shipment reminder means that if the package has been already shipped and is already being sending to the buyers, and then we will send these messages to the buyers. As we do this because we wanted the buyers to know that his package is already been sent, and we want him to take care of the packages. Also, if we want to set it, we can set here, and also we can click here, add tasks to set a new strategy. Okay. Okay, and the next one is the delivering reminder. The delivery reminder means that the order of the package of the buyers has already been delivering. So that so this time we want to confirm the address, the phone number, is everything is okay, and the buyers can receive the packages as soon as possible. Yes. And also, if we want to reset it, we can click here and click here to reset. Okay, and next one is the delivering failed reminder. Means that if we maybe it's because the buyer maybe it's because the package had not been sent to the buyers as we have already confirmed. Maybe it's because of the wrong address, or maybe it's because the wrong phone number, or the buyers didn't make the call. So about this situation, we can send a message to the buyers to remind the buyers that his package has already been delivered, but now it's failed to be delivered. So the package will be managed to send again. So please take care about your packages. Yes, that we can send this one to the buyers, and the buyers will know the things. So this will help the buyers to receive the packages as soon as possible. Okay. And the next one is the receiving confirmation means that if the buyers have already received the package, and we want the buyers to confirm the orders as soon as possible, and so we can send these strategies to the buyers. Okay, so the same we can click here to reset, and also we can click add tasks to set a new strategy. Okay, and the next one is the review reminder. The review reminder means that if the buyer has already received the package and have already confirmed the orders, and we want to know whether whether our product is okay, and we want the buyers to give us a review, so we can send it to the buyers, and we can remind the buyers to confirm the review. Okay, and here are the main functions of the order follow-up management. Okay, so about this part, if you have any problems, you can comment on the chatting box. Okay. And the next function I want to recommend is the quick reply. Okay. So quick reply means that there are some simple reply, or some common reply that we will use during our reply, and we can set this as quick reply, and we can send it to the buyers as soon as possible. So as we can see, here are two types of quick reply. The first one is general messenger temp. The general messenger means that here means that everyone can see the messages, and everyone can use these messages. Okay. And the second one is a private messenger, means that only myself, or only myself can say this strategy, and myself can set and can add the messages here. Okay. For example, I will use a general messages. For example, how to set it. Okay, first we will click the add, and we will write the reply content. For example, we want to say, okay, if the buyer have comes to our stores, and I will said, welcome to my shop. Okay, so like hello, welcome to my shop, like this one, and we can say the shortcut is hello. Okay, and we can say we can set which side of we want. Okay, for example, we can click all the site and we save it, and we can say here are the shortcuts that we have already set. Okay, and we can see here. Okay, here is a quick reply, and we can say this one is here, and whether sorry, and we can say here is a quick reply, and we click here, and it will turn to it. Okay, and it will be sent to the buyers. Okay, so here this one is the quick reply. And once we have set the quick reply on the computer, that we can use it on our mobile as well. So this will be very convenient. Okay, so this one is about the quick reply. And the next one is the auto reply. The auto reply means that the main function of auto reply is that it can help us to confirm the response rate of our stores. For example, we know that Shopee has the first time reply of the response rate within 10 minutes, right? So, but when during the big sale or during the weekend, maybe we can't reply within 10 minutes. So we can use this auto reply to help us. Okay, for example, this store that we can set a auto reply here. Okay, for example, first we can reset the response time, like automatically reply when the customer service does not respond in time for more than 5 minutes. This will help us to confirm the response rate of our stores. For example, as I said, that the Shopee has the response rate within 10 minutes, right? So maybe here we can set 5 minutes, and it will reply to the buyers. And the auto reply is calculated into our store's reply. So this will make the function. And the next one is the reply frequency. We recommend this one that it can auto reply once to the same chat in every 4 hours, because we also don't want to reply to the buyers. We don't want to send the same things to the buyers. Yes, so maybe we can set a long time as 4 hours is better. Okay. Okay, and then we can write the default reply, means that what we want to send to the buyers, and we can write here. And also here we can use the buyer names. We can set picture, videos, and vouchers also can be sent to the buyers. Okay, so here is the auto reply. And many of our customers will use these functions. Okay. And here we can say, because different platforms have different rules, so we can set according to our stores and according to the platform's rules. Okay. Oh, and the next one I want to recommend is this one. This one is the to-do list. Here we are displaying the first one is the negative review manager, and the second one is the refund order, and also the order cancellation, ticket management, and order tracking. These are all the urgent things that we want you to take care. So we will display here. Yeah. So every day you have logged into Duoke and you can see the to-do list here. Yes. And we can handle it in advance. Okay. And the next one is here, the customer service management. Okay, is in the setting service and click the customer service management. When we will use it, for example, one situation is that we have many shops, and the second one is we have one shop, but we have many consulting every day, so we may need more than one customer service to reply the messages. So we need to add more account to help us to reply the messages. Okay, so the first thing we should do is to add account, and we can click here and we enter into the email, for example, Tina, Gmail. And also, we can name it like Tina. And we also have to set the password, for example. Okay, here's my password. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. And then I will select which store we want Tina to be in charge of. Okay, for example, I want Tina to in charge of this store, and I will select it and confirm it. Okay, and I will save it. Okay, and here's the account I have already set. And I can see here. And if I want Tina to log into Duoke, and I will tell I will tell her email and the password, and then she can log into Duoke and help us to reply the messages. And also, if we want to edit, and we can click here to change the information that we want. Okay, as we can see here, it's a row, for example, we choose this and save. Okay, and it will change. And the second one is a role management. Means that we can give the role the rights, the permissions of our stores, as we can see here. If we want the customer service not only to reply the messages, but they also can see the business management, and we will click here, and also the after sale management and the basic reception and the efficiency tools and the marketing automation. All these functions, if we want which one we want the customer service to use, and we can click on. Okay. Yes, we can click here. And if we don't want they to use, and we will close. Okay. Yes, this is up to our stores. Okay. So first is to set a sub account, and the second is to select the permissions. Okay. Okay, so here is the function of how to set a sub account for other customer service. Okay, okay. And And these are the main functions. And another one I want to recommend is an AI chatbot, as I have already said. Okay, and if you are the first time to see this page, or you haven't buy it, and you may not see this page, you may say, wait. Yes, and if you are the time to say AI chatbot, you may see this page. Yes, these are the main functions of the AI chatbot. So if you want to have a try of the AI chatbot that you connect with our customer service online, or you yes, or you can chat with our managers. Yes, customer managers. Okay, and once you have already have the choice to try the AI chatbot, or you have already buy AI chatbot, then I will tell you how to set the AI chatbot, how to use it. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we will turn to this page. Okay, first I will delete it. Okay, and if you have already have the rights to use the AI chatbot, or you have already buy AI chatbot, you will have this page. You have see this page. Okay, here's the function AI chatbot, and click AI chatbot, and we'll turn to this page. The first thing we need to do is to add an AI chatbot. We click here. Okay, and we will choose which sale market we need. For example, I only have Malaysia and Thailand, and then I choose the Malaysia, and I have to name the AI chatbot. For example, it's a mini. Okay, or I can say the AI mini, for example, and we will select the stores that I want to use the AI chat. For example, I just choose a happy winning and confirm and save it. Okay, and it will turn to the page. As we can see here, here is the subscribe industrial packages. Here we can say we now have 126 things, popular things. These are all according to the different questions of our buyers, and we have selected 100, more than 100 types of questions. So according to these questions, we have set the reply strategies. For example, we can say this all things are including the pre-sales, sales, and after-sales programs. And we can say first the chat interaction means that if maybe the buyers is the first time comes into our store, and he will say hi, hello, like this, and we can reply. The AI chatbot can reply to the buyers. Here are the default strategies that have already been set. And if we want to reset it, we can click this small pencil on the right. Yeah, and we can select. Okay, we can reset, and we can. Okay, first we can choose the reply method. Okay, we want to the AI reply to response, or we want to transfer it into our customer service, and we can choose here. And then the reply content is according to ourselves. As if we think this is not okay, and we can reset it by ourselves. And if it's okay, that we can use it directly. It also can set more than one content. Okay, if we need more, and we can add here. And also it can be translated to the countries that we need, or translated to the languages that we need. Okay, and we can click save and it will be saved. Okay, so here are the strategies. We have the chat interaction and the product issues. Issues include the product consulting about the product details, product utilization, stocks. Also have the default strategies. And also about a promotion. Okay, we can say here. And also the buy and orders. Okay, the order verification, the payment issue, and other issues. And also the logistics. We can say here about the shipment status, the shipment address, shipment requirements. And also here are something about the after sale is about the order cancel, refund, and refund address like this. If we also can set it into details. Okay, except this, and if we want to use the ChatGPT, the Duoke GPT, and we can select here. Okay. We can select here. And as I have said, these are the default strategies. If we want to change or we want to reset it, we can click the pencils and to reset the strategies. Okay. So here is the things about the AI chatbot, and if you now don't have the rights to use the AI chatbot, you can and you want to use it, and you can connect with our customers online service. Yes. Okay, and here are the main functions. Here are the main functions I want to introduce today. So if you have any questions about the functions, about how to use it or how to set it, you can comment on the chatting box. Yes. Okay, let me say. Okay. As after the presentation, we will have the record, so we will send the record to the chatting group. Okay. Does anyone has any questions?
Is the AI chatbot is different package, is it? Dual VIP. When I click the AI chatbot, it doesn't have the feature.
Oh, you mean you have already buy the Duoke VIP, but you can use the AI chatbot? Yes.
Yeah, I can't use it for AI chat.
Oh, sorry, wait a minute. Yes. this one. Okay, for example, yeah, maybe you are on this page and you can click here, connect customer service, and it will turn to our customer service online, and you can tell our customer service that you want to have a try on the AI chatbot and send your email to our customer service, and then they will give you the give you the right to experience it.
Okay, so which means AI chatbot is is different package with Duoke lah. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so does anybody has other questions? And also, if you don't have any questions, and after the training, if you have any questions, you can chat. You can ask us in our chatting group, or you can chat with our customer. You can chat with our customer service online. Okay, let me say. How long the chat history will be saved? Okay. You mean the doc you can post? Oh, you mean the doc can save the chat history? Uh, about the how long the chat history will be saved, the answer is that it will save about 1 month. Okay. Uh, uh, as as you haven't delete your if you don't delete your stores on Duoke, and the messages will be saved about 7 days. Yeah, we'll save 7 days history. Yes. And if you are the first time authorized to Duoke, and we will take the last 1 month messages. And if you have already used the Duoke, that we will save the 7 days messages. Okay. So other questions? If there is no more questions, that today's training is okay. Yeah. So if you don't have any questions today, and but then then after the training, if you have any questions, you also can connect with us, and we are willing to help you to solve the problems. Okay. And as I have said before, we are interested in Duoke, and we want to use it, or maybe we have the attempt to buy it, and today and tomorrow is really a big deal. So if you want to buy it, you can buy today and tomorrow. And about further information, about further questions, if you still has more further questions that we can chat on the group, and also you can ask our customer service online. Okay. So, okay, here is today's training, and thanks for your listening. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Okay, bye bye.